When you're running an event, every detail matters. From workshops and banquets to shuttle rides and dietary needs, attendees often sign up for different add-ons or have different needs. But here's the challenge. Each of those groups needs the right information at the right time. Workshop participants need to be notified about any schedule or room changes. Dinner guests need to know the location. And caterers need to know how many attendees and who ordered vegetarian meals. In the past, organizers tried to handle this by manually filtering spreadsheets, creating separate email lists, or even checking names one by one at the door. It's a lot of work, and mistakes slip through. The result? More stress for you, and a less smooth experience for attendees. That's where Whova's attendee segments come in. Instead of wrestling with spreadsheets or manually tagging attendees, Whova does the work for you. When attendees register for your event, Whova automatically adds them to their corresponding segments based on any purchased add-ons, like an exclusive workshop or special event merchandise, like a t-shirt, as well as how they responded to certain registration questions, such as dietary restrictions, industry, job roles, transportation needs, or any customized registration question responses. Easily export segments so you can provide them to colleagues or vendors you're working with, like dietary needs for caterers, or a passenger list for shuttle services. Choose specific attendee segments as your recipients when sending reminders via Whova's popular announcements feature. You can even add attendee segment information on name badges to help with on-site logistics. For example, adding a W label only on the badges of attendees who purchased a workshop session, so your event staff can quickly confirm access at the workshop's entrance. Since its release, Attendee Segments has quickly become a favorite among organizers. And the best part? It's already included in your package at no extra cost when you use Whova registration, so make sure to take advantage of it. If you're interested in using Whova for your event, schedule a one-on-one demo and get access to a free trial of our platform.